This is the Silicon Valley Electronics Flea Market in Saratoga, California. It's hosted at the West Valley College parking lot. Lots of really great ham radio gear. A lot of old HF receivers that are pretty decent deals that work just fine on the air for sideband.
I used to bring this out when we were celebrating. Oh, you need that for your plane. It's a wing camera, gun camera, 16 millimeter. Believe it or not, that was before my time.
Don't lick your fingers after that. That's copper and beryllium finger stock. That's a little toxic. Thanks for walking around with me. This is Aaron, N6ACA. Thanks for watching DC Today.